board a ferry to go to Katha Island today. Alright, so we're on the top floor of the ferry going over to Katha Island, which I don't know if you can see, but it's kind of smoggy over there. It's about a 15-minute ferry ride from the port here. This is what we're doing tomorrow. It's $14 each.
Construction, you said.
Okay, so apparently the hotel we booked is under construction.
So we're at
a different hotel.
I don't know
We're
what's
at the Galaxy Hotel.
the Galaxy.
There we go.
Oh wow.
We got 2 beds. Okay.
This is a big ass room.
Fridge
So this was the pictures.
and the bathroom. We just got lunch from this little restaurant on the main strip here. It was 40,000 dong.
A little expensive.
Yeah, and it tastes like ramen, so we just paid $5
$40,000
for ramen.
Basically.
Can't believe how beautiful it is here.
I'm moving here.
Yeah, we're moving. We're just trying to find the beach 1 and 2.
How is this for sale? Wait, what?
What? I can't believe how beautiful this place is, and I will never say it enough. I love this place, and we're gonna move here. Stairs going up and all around here. So we're gonna go check it out. So we were right down here. They're building this new resort. It looks awesome.
Fishermen are going fishing.
Yeah, the whole convo of fishermen. We found beach 3 down there, and we like the views better from this place than beach 1 and 2. Mostly because beach 1 and 2 are like under construction, so it's kind of noisy and there's a lot of garbage.
Well, this looks nice.
Yeah, this one's a lot calmer, and it's only a short, maybe 15-minute walk down this path.
Yeah. The coffee restaurant.
Since we booked our bus through, what was it, Full Moon Tours, they gave us a voucher for a free beer or a free vodka and Sprite at one of their Full Moon party hostels. So we're here right now, cashing in on our free drink. A chocolate brownie for 20,000 dong, which is about $1.14 Canadian. It is now Saturday morning. Whoa, there's a moth in here. We're just going downstairs to eat some breakfast, and then we are going on a huge boat tour today. Breakfast is kind of limited here. We both got coffee with milk and bread with eggs. We're just waiting for a scoot scoot to come pick us up. Little floating village, and we're gonna go kayaking. I'm trying to like not lose my paddle and take a video. We out here kayaking in some bay, we don't know where.
Trying to find a cave.
Trying to find a cave. hopefully you can hear the audio through this wet sack.
Hopefully.
Hopefully. We just spent the last hour and a half kayaking through this bay here. You can't actually go swimming here because there's a lot of jellyfish apparently. So that's kind of scary if you fall in.
Này. Ai.
So this is our trail.
This doesn't even look bad compared to what it was up
Yeah.
there. It's so sketchy. This is like the craziest black diamond hike I've ever done. We are now at Monkey Island. So far we've done Lanha Bay, Halong Bay, and we did a little drive-by of the fishing village.
Went swimming also.
Yeah, oh yeah, we docked at a very small little beach. We didn't dock actually, you just jumped off the boat and swam to the beach if you wanted to go, and did some snorkeling. And this is Monkey Island. We're back at the hotel. We live like maybe a 2-minute drive away from the pier where we got picked up. Walking around Kappa Island, we've noticed that there isn't a lot of street food here, and everyone eats at restaurants, and then these smaller like street food shops that you normally eat at are usually crepes or some kind of like fried dough dessert, which we're probably gonna try either tonight or tomorrow. So we've now ordered for the 3rd time, and they still keep coming to us, so we're not sure if we're getting food here or not.
Yeah.
The meal. So the night markets here are kind of
Shitty.
Yeah, shitty. They're not really willing to bargain much either. They have like a $20,000 price range that they try to stick in.
So I didn't get a shirt.
So it was a bust. Yeah, he wanted a long sleeve. I wanted a scarf of some sort because it's getting kind of chillier at night, and I don't want to wear my fleece out.
We'll find bigger night markets in Vietnam though.
Yeah, somewhere else. We just got back to our hotel and there was a cockroach running across the floor. It went under the bed, I think. At least I went downstairs to go get the guy from the lobby to come take a look. Okay, so the guy came in, checked the room, and he gave us a new room. So we just quickly grabbed all of our things. They're just shoved into the bags. And now we have a new room. It's now morning time. I actually woke up kind of sick and it's really cloudy and raining, so we might leave a day early. We'll see. When it's raining and you have a bun.
Hello.
Bye, Catman.
Bye. Bad luck with transportation.
Yeah. The boat broke down.